Over the past 50 years, the North American population of the Loggerhead Shrike has declined by 80%. In some regions, especially the Northeast, the bird is wiped out. The shrike is a grassland bird that hunts insects, rodents, and small birds in the grass, but it needs trees, shrubs, and hedgerows for hunting perches. It also needs thorns and spikes to secure its prey because it lacks heavy talons. That's why a walk in a shrike's territory can be a treasure hunt for leftover prey remnants. You might find parts of a GI tract on barbed wire, or maybe a skull picked clean on a fence post. Most owls or hawks would have swallowed the whole mouse. The shrike's prey items are hard to see in tall grass, harder still to catch. Therefore, the shrike needs managed grass, not grass chest high to a human. Pasture grazed by cattle is ideal. Shrikes are quick also to take advantage of chance opportunities. For example, rolls of summer-cut hay may stay in the field until they're hauled away to feed cattle in the winter. Under every roll of hay is a colony of mice, scattering in all directions when the tractor moves the hay. The tractor and the cattle are central to the shrike's winter economics. Conclusion: if you want to see a shrike in winter, look for cattle on pasture.